No, good evening. They fine. How about you? Okay, okay, no problem.
So I saw this. Why I knew that this high will hold is because after this high was created, we had this massive bearish candle. You see this red massive candle here. Okay,
Yes.
it aligns because you could see. I think you could see it on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, but before then, before this swing high, can you tell me what kind of rejection is this?
Normal
Light is
rejection.
going. I can't hear you.
I mean, normal rejection.
Correct. So this is a normal rejection candle, right? This is a normal
Uh,
rejection candle. What type of candle is this?
sorry, which one?
This one, this second one here. This up one. The candle that has this normal rejection, the up one here, the upper wick is what?
Inside weak and weak rejection. Am I correct?
Inside what?
Inside weak. Inside rejection.
Thank you. So you are partially correct. You are partially correct. You this is if we're like looking at it in this kind of view, eh? Can you hear
Mm.
me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So if we're looking at it, sure you can see my screen.
Yes.
So if you are looking at it in this view, this is where you would have been correct to call this an inside rejection candle, right? But now see what happened after the break. Do we have a rejection on it? Eh?
No,
So what happened here?
like a candle pull down, like bearish candle.
Yes, and he broke the zone, right? So he invalidated the zone, right?
Yes.
So whenever we have a normal rejection, sorry, inside rejection candle, yeah, after it's being formed,
Mm.
the next thing we need to see, it's used to form like a V-shaped level, right? So this V-shaped level now, the next thing we need to see is market coming down to the level and push up, not breaking below it. Shey you get?
Okay.
So we need the market to push up, reject that zone. So the market did not reject this zone. So that's why it's now turned to from an inside rejection candle to a double break. See, double break. Break one. Can you see?
Yes.
Break one, break two. Do you see it?
Okay.
Shey you
Yes.
get? So that's why it's now a double break. Now, where did market go and react from? Shey you see?
From that week.
From that week.
Yes.
E be like magic, abi? Right?
No,
So
I was having a question.
yes.
This break one double break. I did not understand it. Can you explain it again?
Okay. So let me give you a diagram.
I see. Hold on. No, I didn't uncle. Okay, time. 16:23.
Okay. So now This is the anatomy of the double break. Okay, each of them have their anatomy. So let me just talk about the double break. So this is how the double break is formed, right? The market open here, right? Pushed up,
Yes.
right? Pushed up, creates a weak rejection. Follow me, oh.
Okay.
Creates a weak rejection. Shey you are seeing? My screen is visible, abi?
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
Okay. Create a weak
Yes.
rejection like this. um
Okay.
This is what? Only this candle is called what?
Normal rejection.
Thank you. So this is a normal rejection. Now the next candle opens from where this candle close, right?
Yes.
Did what? Above
Break
it.
the rejection.
Correct. Break the rejection. What did it now turn to?
Also normal rejection. Am I correct?
You are wrong. Look at it again.
Double break. Sorry.
You are also wrong again.
Is it an inside rejection?
This is an inside rejection. Now,
Okay, the second candle of it.
why is it an inside rejection?
I want to know about why is it an inside rejection?
It is because this second candle has engulf. You know what is engulf?
Yes.
It has engulfed this weak rejection.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Should I continue?
Now you can continue.
So before I continue, what did I explain?
Yeah, it said the second candle have engulfed the
No,
first
don't start
rejection.
from the
That
second.
is
From the beginning, what have I said so far?
okay. What you have said so far for which to identify a double break, the first candle has formed. So it give us a normal rejection. And then the second candle that form break above that rejection, it become a double break. And it has engulfed the rejection, the candle, the wick, sorry.
Correct. So in essence, what we are saying is, these candles are not they are in groups, right?
Yes, they are in group.
But we are trying to like single out one type of rejection from another, so that we'll use that now to get a trade idea. Do you get it?
Okay. Yes.
So now the first rejection candle we had was what? The normal rejection, right? So the normal rejection,
Yes.
after the normal rejection was formed, we had market break above the wick of that normal rejection, which turns into a inside rejection candle, right?
So please can I ask one question?
Go ahead.
Okay, this normal rejection, must it be a bearish or a bullish?
It can be
Like
any
a red or
it can be any
it can be
candle. It can be any candle. Do you get?
okay.
But
Yes.
the thing is, you need to understand the idea, the psychology behind it. You get? It can be red, it can
Okay.
be blue, it can be whatever color. That's why I tell you, put your colors, like put your chart in one color.
Okay.
Shey you notice I use one color, I don't use two colors.
Yes, you use one color.
Ehen. So it can be any color. So now, so I can continue, right?
Yes.
So after the formation now, the next candle formed. Okay, for let me ask you a question. After this happen now, what do we expect? You've seen me trade it. What do you think I used to expect? Or what do I do after seeing a inside rejection candle?
Okay, so what you usually expect is market coming to that level
Mm-hmm.
and go up again, a V shape, like a V shape. Then you take
Correct.
your trade.
No, don't worry. We will talk about key levels. That's a different topic. We'll
Okay,
talk about key levels. But what you just said is very, very correct. Okay. So what we normally
okay,
expect is price coming into this zone because you are going to mark it as a zone. So in this zone, when
okay,
you go to a lower time frame, you will see a break of structure and a key level. That one we are going to talk about it in another topic. But let's just focus on the formation. Do you get?
okay.
So
Yes.
price comes in, we are expecting what? A reject. Okay? So
Okay,
sometimes we will have that rejection, sometimes we will have a break. Now for this, but for the course of this explanation, we are going to now look at the break scenario.
okay.
So what do you see now?
The market have come in there and it has break.
It has broken, right?
Yes.
So what is it called?
Double double rejection.
Double what? It's not double rejection.
D- Double break.
Ehen. So what happens when we have a double break?
That is a reversal pattern. The market will be
Correct.
reversed.
Correct. So we expect price now to come inside here and do what? Reject.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you get
Okay.
do you get the concept now? So
I'm getting it.
correct, that is it. That is the idea behind a double break. Shey you say is a very strong reversal pattern. Why is it strong? It is strong because it gives you the whole type of rejection we have. We have three types of rejection, right? The
Yes.
the normal rejection candle, the inside rejection candle, and the double break rejection candle. So now the market has given us the normal rejection candle, failed to hold that zone for a sell, right? And broke above that zone, gave us what? An inside rejection candle, still failed to support, to hold that zone to continue buying, right? To continue
Yes.
buying, and then broke down again. So this second break is a confirmation that sellers are more present than buyers, and then we should do what? Look for a selling opportunity. Do you get me?
Okay. Yeah, I'm getting it.
Right? Do you understand me?
Yeah, I'm understanding it now.
Ehen. So
So
now
now we will look for an entry with on the normal rejection, the face candle, the face wick of that candle.
this one, right?
Yeah, that's where you usually mark.
Correct. So that is where we look for. Inside this week, if you will mark it as a zone. So inside this week, if you go to a lower time frame, you will see two things: a break of structure and a key level. It must always present a break of structure and a key level. Do you get?
Okay.
Then I will teach you guys how to validate a key level, like when a key level is valid and when a key level is not valid. I will show you guys how to do that. Okay. Still based on this trading concept.
Okay.
Shey you get? So there will always
Yes.
be a break of structure and a key level. There will always be. If there is none, please avoid that trade.
Okay.
Do you get me?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Or avoid that trade with all your might, right? So now this is what an example of a double break rejection
double
candle.
break.
Abeg no forget am.
Yeah, I no go fit forget am.
Okay, because after this you are going to find it in your chart and send to me. Now let's
Yes,
continue. I want to explain the inside, should I say, the normal rejection candle formation, what to expect, right? So
yes,
you know the drill. I should giving you the example. So we start by
yes.
market open, right? Push top, pushed up, came down, right? And close like
Mm,
this with a weak rejection, right? A weak rejection.
okay,
So let's say, for example, let me add something to it. So let's say, for example, we are at a trend. Okay, so let's say we had this candle already here. So this is an uptrend. The market is going up.
yes,
Mhm. So we have this candle already here. So the market got to this area and then have created this kind of formation, right? So the closure is here.
okay.
See the closure of that candle here, because obviously it's a buy candle, so it closed here. Then we have, what has it created?
Normal weak rejection.
Normal rejection candle, right? So
Okay.
now the next thing we should be expecting is what?
Market closing below that weak rejection.
Correct. Should be like this.
Yes, it should be like that.
Correct.
Not go above.
Now this is very very correct. So your zone will be where? Your zone will be this
Uh,
week. This week. So that will
which one? The new one.
be,
Which week?
this week, this candle week now.
Okay,
That's the zone. I don't know if you understand what I mean by zone.
okay,
Do you know what
okay.
is zone in trading?
Yes,
So this is your zone. So you go extend and come right, right.
okay.
So that week now is where you identify as your zone. You people don't know how to identify zone. I tell also the other guy to identify zone for me. He's doing another thing. So that's your zone. Okay. So what do we expect? Because for a formation like this, we have two things. We have the break of structure and we have the key level. So what do we expect?
Market coming to that key level.
Right? Coming into the key level, right? And what?
Yes.
And reject. So this is how it should be. So this let's say this third candle is where you are taking yourself from. Do you
Okay.
understand?
Yeah, I'm understanding.
What don't you understand? Hmm?
Now this normal rejection candle, how to take the trade on it.
The normal rejection candle.
I mean, this one you are explaining now is how to take a trade on the normal rejection.
I'm explaining how it is formed, what is you should expect.
Okay,
I've not even teach you how to take a trade yet. I'm explaining how it
okay,
is formed and what you should expect.
okay, okay. The formation of it.
Yes, it's the formation. Okay, do you get that?
Yeah,
Okay. Now let's look at the which one are we looking at now?
inside rejection.
The inside rejection. Now I love the inside rejection. Do you know why?
Why?
It is always good for continuation, like continuation trades. It's sweet when it's
Okay,
trending, when the market is trending. So let's say we have the
okay,
market trending like this to the upside. Then we got to okay. So it's trending and then okay, let me just use two. Let me see. So the market is now coming. I'll take let me delete this one. So the market is trending to the upside, right?
okay.
It opened
Yes.
here. Let me do it the way I was doing the other ones. So I will not be lost. So the market opened down here. This is a buy trade, a trades buy trade setup. So the market opened here, pushed up and closed in this way, right? With this weak rejection. You see the weak rejection, right?
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Okay, my network interrupt.
Can you hear me?
Next minute for it to come up.
I can't hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you now. I'm seeing it now.
Okay, so what I said is the market is trending to the upside, right? And then
Okay.
this particular candle opened here, pushed up to this point, and then rejected and closed like this. Now the next candle, so this is a buy candle. Let me change the color. Remember what I said, the color does not matter.
Yes.
Hmm. So the next candle opened where this candle closed, pushed up, right?
Okay.
So as it pushed off, it did what? It
It
engulfed,
break the normal rejection.
correct. It broke it or it engulfed it, right?
Okay.
So what do we expect? The next candle to open right here, open right here, come down into this. There's something here, right? Come down
Mm.
and then push up. Okay, so you will
Okay.
have the wick. So the wick is where your entry will be. Okay, when we talk about entry. So this is an inside rejection candle. So this inside rejection candle is mostly for continuation move. Do
Okay.
you get me?
I
It's
be now.
it's mostly for continuation move. So if you see a trending market and you find this formation in it, just know that you sure say you go get that buy or sell setup that you're looking for. Do you understand me?
Yeah, but although I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. Go ahead.
Okay. My question is, you know, this inside rejection that is formed, and also the double break and the inside rejection candle, and even the normal rejection, they form the same, and they form the same pattern. But how will you know that this normal rejection is going to hold, and you're going to take your trade on the on it? I don't know if you are getting my point.
So I'd like you to repeat your question again.
I mean, how will you know that this normal rejection here, the initial rejection is going to go
Okay, how do I know
for
that
it to
they are going to hold, right?
yes, yes, for it to turn an initial rejection? Because if it come down, it become a double break.
Yes. So that's why we say it is the break of
Yeah.
structure and key level that will validate that setup.
Okay.
Sure, you understand? It is only the
Yes.
break of structure and key level that will validate it. If what I will teach you when I get to that point, okay, I will teach you guys how to mark out a valid POI and a valid break of structure. So if you don't see those two things in your trade, just ignore. That market will not hold.
Okay.
Do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So there's something I there's something I call combo, right? The combination of two or more, the combination of two or more candlestick rejection candles. I don't know if you've heard me say something about this thing, the combo.
No, no, you have not said about it before.
Hmm. So make una master this one first before I go into combo. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to I'm going to like give you trade examples. Okay,
Okay.
I'll give you trade examples on each of these type of rejection candles. Okay, so let's start with
Okay.
the. Okay, since we are here, let's start with the normal rejection candle.
Okay.
All right. So can you look at this? Can you see this trade?
Yeah, I'm feeling it.
Yeah. So this particular trade, I think. Let me see. Here it is. Okay. What type of candle is this?
Normal rejection.
Correct. So now see that combo that I was talking about. Oh, you see this normal rejection candle.
Okay.
Eh? See this normal rejection
Yes.
candle. It is reacting. He reacted inside of this inside rejection candle. Can you see?
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
Here you see combo. Now this is a high probability setup. You see.
Okay.
So this is a normal rejection reacting from an inside rejection candle as combo, right?
Yes.
Now I've showed you two. Okay, this is normal rejection. Then this is let me delete these things first. Now, what do you think this is? I want you to understand. What is this?
That one is a inside rejection.
Correct. Now, what is this?
Also an inside rejection.
You are wrong.
Normal rejection, sorry.
You are wrong. You are not
Double
paying.
break.
You are not paying attention. And you know, say double break will be the last option because you don't fail to. See, see, you are not paying attention. Look at what I did. Look at where I drew the zone from.
Okay,
Is
that's a double
here.
break. I'm seeing it
Yes,
now.
that's a double break. See, this which kind of candle rejection is this? This is an inside now, right? So this inside
Uh,
rejection candle failed twice. Like it broke above, right? This breaking still come break down again. So this is a double break. So what the market do?
okay.
It came into it. Then this double break is now supported with this. Are you seeing?
Inside rejection, yes.
And then what happen again? If you still extend this double break, you can still see that we still came to retest it, right?
Yes.
Creating its normal, like a normal rejection candle. You see? So we have like the whole three in one setup. Now why you see say the market just fly, hit TP, see TP here. Shey you see?
Yes.
The market just fly. So this is high probability setup. Whenever you find a combo, whether na
Mm.
two combo or triple combo like this one now, this particular setup is three combo. You understand? Just know say that one na sure trade. If you risk your last card,
Okay.
shey you get?
Yes.
You see how I'm able to find this setup? E hard. Is it difficult?
Not really. No,
Which one is not really? With the way I'm
it's
explaining,
not difficult.
it's not difficult because me I know say see, let me tell you something. Me I know, me I know that trading itself is not easy. You get? So I try my best to simplify things so that it will be very easy for me to understand. This strategy is very, very simple to get. It's not even a strategy sef, it's a concept, a very powerful one at
Okay.
that. Okay,
Okay.
it's very, very, very simple to understand. If you just follow, you just learn how to know which candle is which. You get?
Yes.
Okay, let me show you a live trade. I think there was a sell today on gold. So gold gave very nice setup. Hey, I don't know how to. Okay, let me show you this gold setup. XAS. I'm looking for a good broker. I don't like brokers that give this thing. Now look at
Okay.
this. See how beautiful it is. This is one daily time frame. Daily time frame. What do you see in this setup? What do you see? Just looking at this days, like yesterday, this is yesterday's candle. This is today's candle. What do you see?
I'm seeing a double break
From where to where?
from the new one, the day before yesterday and today.
Okay. This is day before yesterday. Yesterday and today. Yes. So the thing is, you don't just call a candle that is still forming. This candle is still forming.
Okay.
Do you understand? Because if you
Yes.
form finish now, still can't give us inside rejection and double break. So now the break of structure on a lower time frame go determine which one you go use, because that's what is going to happen here.
Okay.
I don't know if you get me.
Yeah, I'm getting you.
Ehen. Okay, but then let me analyze this. So normally you have to start your analysis from, like, you understand the storyline. So let's look at this. You agree with me that this is a swing high, right?
Yes.
Right. So after this swing high, we have this. What is this?
That's a double break. Sorry, an initial rejection.
Guy, I will carry cane flog you.
Sorry, that's an initial rejection.
So if you extend it to the right,
The market is respecting that level.
correct. So yeah, respected it like multiple times. Do you get?
Yes.
Okay. Excuse me. Oh.
Okay.
Um, excuse me. Let me quickly do something on my PC.
All right, no problem.
Oh, I'm going to take small of your time. Oh, please don't be angry.
No, I'm not angry.
Let's just take like a break, a 30 minutes break.
Okay, okay.
But this particular inside rejection candle was revisited right here, and then
Okay.
we had that push, right? So we will note,
Yes.
we've taken note of that point. So the next thing we'll do is to also observe what else can we find, right? Now we've seen that we have this inside rejection candle, right? Now this inside rejection
Mm.
candle was used to have to where we had this sell before the push up, right?
Okay.
So when we broke this particular one with this particular black candle, when we broke it, where did the market visit? It visited this one because this one was free, okay, was free, and
Okay.
then he mitigated it, and then oh boy, I see gold, they go I missed this trade. So he
And this on
mitigated.
a daily time frame, Abi.
Yeah, this is daily time frame. So
Okay.
I'm talking about this new candle, this new daily candle that has just formed. Are you seeing this candle?
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
It's coming to wipe this low, then take out this low again. And I quickly close my trade, but it's fine, sha. So now we have this, okay. After we had that, this thing, this break up, what were we expecting?
We're expecting the market to continue up.
Correct. But wetin happen? E still come break down. So it becomes more like a triple break because this is the first break, second break, and the
Mm.
third break. Can you see that?
Yes.
All right. So we have, as we have this, as we have this, we now see how market now got into something inside here and begin to push down, right? So that was that for that. So let's look at today's price action. Okay, we understand why we shey you know where this is rejecting from, right? Make I just leave am there for you so you go see am, because me I know. Here, you get.
Oh, yes, yes.
So
Oh,
that's where this particular rejection is coming from. So
okay.
this was yesterday. This was day before yesterday. We are in another day. Good morning
Mm.
to you. I know that I don't knack.
Good morning.
Okay, sorry, for US, for
You
you,
never even.
e never knack.
Yes,
E never knack na for
yes.
US. So now this was yesterday's candle, today's candle, okay, and then this was yesterday's candle. So as we have this now, what will you be thinking? You'll be looking for you'll be looking for price now to come inside here, right?
Mm.
That will only happen in this candle formation. Remember what I told you, that I should not add this one that time it was forming. Now that a new candle has
Yes.
begun, so this is the candle now that you can expect to push inside this zone, right? To push
Mm.
inside this zone. But let me explain how I took this sell, this particular candle sell. That is because we had this double break rejection, right? Market pushed into it and closed. So the next candle now, which is the next day, which is today. So I'm going to use this black line to demarcate it. So if you go to the 4 hour time frame, if you go to the 4 hour time frame, you you'll see that we had, what's this?
Normal rejection.
Correct. So let me delete this zone. Shey you understand that daily time frame now?
Yes.
Let me just go back. Let me go back. So key levels. Let's talk about key levels here and break of structure. So you notice that I was on the daily time frame. It was on the daily time frame that I marked out my zone, right?
Yes.
Which is this double break rejection candle, right? So
Mm.
as I mark out my zone on the daily time frame, I move to 4 hours. I've already given you guys the roadmap. I moved to 4 hours, right? So on this 4 hour, what am I looking for?
You're
Tell me now.
looking for a break of structure and a key level.
A break construction and a key level inside this zone. So the best way to get
Okay.
that is line chart. I don't know how to go out from this place. I don't know if I have to stop sharing.